Hello everyone. Welcome today in in the additional of today's newspaper on Monday. Yes, Monday, July the 4th, 2022. Is this the Independence Day? I don't know. Is today Independence Day? Well, we have here in this additional 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the ladder Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudoku. Then we have a tectonic with 4 stars and with 1 star. In Dutch, they call it Cypher block. And 1 binary. And those puzzles I'm not interested. So total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Only half of them I will solve. And I will solve the 3 stars, the 4 stars, Sudoku, the tectonic, and the binary. Alright. First, the 3 stars Sudoku. 3 stars Sudoku number 4797. 4797, yes. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 25 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that, because if you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs or a lot of hidden numbers, then you need more time to solve. Yes. So it could be a puzzle with less than 25, easier than a puzzle with 25. Alright, for 3 stars puzzle I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have 4 ones, we have 3 twos, 4 threes, we have 3 fours, 2 fives, 2 sixes, 2 sevens, 3 eights, 2 nines, yeah, and 2 nines. Alright, so the 1 and the 3s are a majority. Alright, let me see if I can do something with the 1. No, I cannot do anything with the 1. How about the 3s then? Well, 3 in the last row, 3 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. Alright. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this column, so no 3 in these 2 boxes here. 3 in this second row, so no 3 in those 2 boxes. So the 3 could be here, could be there. 3 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 3 in that column. So the column 3 in the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in this row, so no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in that row. So the row be 3 in the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in the last column, so no 3 there, 3 should be here. 3 in this column, 3 in the last column, so the column be 3, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in this row, so no 3 there, 3 should be there. Now we have a 3 there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 3. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. And all the 3s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 3. Let me check for the 1. Yes, the 1 in the third row, the 1 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1 in the last column, so no 1 there, 1 should be there. Alright. Okay. 1. Okay. I believe. me see. The next step. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6. Yeah, I'm thinking. 8, 8. 4, 4. Yeah. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this column, so no 4 in these two boxes. So the 4 could be here, could be there. 4 in one of those two boxes in this column, 4 in that column. So the column between, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 5 and 9, okay. 4 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is 7 in this row. We have a 7 in this big square, so no 7 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 in this row should be there. Alright, so 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this column, so no 7 in these two boxes. So the 7 could be here, could be there. Okay. Alright. 1, 1. 4, 3, 6, 6. Yeah. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in the last row, so no 6 in these 3 boxes. Here, 6 in the middle column, so no 6 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 in this big square. Should be there. 6, 6. Okay. Oh, alright. 1, 1. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the last column. So the column between, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here. Or there, we see a 1 in the last row. So no 1 there, 1 should be there. Okay, now I cannot continue with the 1. Alright. 5, 5. 5, 5. I'm scanning. How about 4? Yeah. 7. 2. Come on. 2, 9, 5. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 2, 5, 9, 2, 5, 9. And look, we have a 2 in this column, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 2 in this big square. Should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 5 and the 9. 5 and the 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So we have a 2 in this row, 2 in the last row. So the row between, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2, 2. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this row, so no 2 in these 3 boxes here. 2 in the first column, so no 2 in those 2 boxes. So the 2 could be here, could be there. 2 in one of those 2 boxes in the third row, 2 in the first row. So the row between the second row, the only 3 places left for the 2 should be here, or there. We see here 2 in the last column, so no 2 there. Here 2 in the column next, so no 2 there. The only place left for the 2 should be there. Alright. Okay. Then I cannot continue with 2 any more information. Alright, then we have a 9 in this column, 9 in the column next. So the last column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. Then let me see. Those 3 missing numbers in this row are the numbers 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 1, 5, 6, 1, 5, 6. Let me mark those. 1, 5, 6. Okay. So then we have 1 box left in this big square. Yeah. We have the 1. 1 here in one of those 3 boxes. We have a 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 in one of those 3 boxes, and the 6 in one of those 3 boxes. The 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. Yes, the 9 is missing. Now we have a 9 there, so this box can be 9 and more. That box should be a 9, and this box should be a 5. Alright. 2 numbers left in the last row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, and 8. Let me mark those. 7 and 8. The other pair in this big square are the numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. Let me mark those again. Okay. Then. Yeah. 5, 5. Yes. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in this row. So no 5 in these 2 boxes. So 5 could be here, could be there. 5 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. 5 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. How about these 3 missing numbers in this row? The middle row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 2, 6. The 7 and the 8 is missing. 2, 6, 8, 2, 6, 8, 2, 6, 8. And look, we have an 8 in this column. So no 8 there. Here an 8 in this column. So no 8 there. The only place left for the 8 should be there. So the 2 and the 6 are left. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. 8, 8, 8, 8. Well. In this column, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is an 8. Well, this box can be an 8 because we have an 8 in this row, so no 8 there. So the 8 could be here, here, or there. We see there an 8 in this row. So no 8 in these 2 boxes. So the 8 could be here, could be there. Okay. But in this big square, we have 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have an 8 in this second row, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. So the 8 could be here, could be there. And I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with 8, but now we have a double 8 here in the first row. So this box cannot be an 8 anymore. That box should be an 8. Yes, that box should be an 8. Okay. Let me see. How about the number 3 missing numbers in this big square? One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in the last column, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. Here 6 in the third row, so no 6 in that box. So 1 box left for the 6 should be there. 6, 6, okay. 4, 7, 5, 5. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in the third row, so no 5 there. So the 5 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 5 in one of those 2 boxes in the last column. So this box can't be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. This box should be a 4. All right. So 2 numbers left in the last column. 4 numbers. 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 7 and the 5, 7 and the 5. That means 1 box left in this big square for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 2 numbers left in the third row. 4 numbers are 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. We have a 7 in the third column. So no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 7 in the third column, 7 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so the row above. The only 2 places left for the 7 goes together with the 5 as a pair, 7 and 5. The other pair in this big square are the numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. The 6 is missing, the 7 and the 8 is missing, 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have a 6 in this column, so no 6 there, 6 should be here, and 8 goes there. All right. Okay. Then. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 6. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so the row above. Only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this column, so no 6 there, 6 should be there. Oh, wait, cannot continue with the 6. How about the 2 then? 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2 in this column, so no 2 there, 2 should be there. And all the 2's are used. I can see. Digit number 2. Alright, 7 and 8. We have an 8 now in this column. So no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 7 goes there. Now we have a 7 there. So this box should be 7 and more. That box should be a 7. And this box should be a 5. Alright, 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. And the 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have an 8 in this row. So no 8 there. 8 should be here. 9 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 8. 8, 8. Now we have 8 there. So this box can't be 8 anymore. That box should be an 8. And I've eliminated the 4. So the 4 goes here. So 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. The 7 is missing. The 8 and the 9 is missing. 7 and the 9. Cannot fill this yet. Need to mark. 1 box left in this row. For number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 4 in the third column, 4 in the second column. So the first column, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in this row, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. Then 2 numbers left in the first column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. We have a 6 in the second row, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 5 goes there. So now 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers. 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. The 6 is missing. The 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 6 and the 9, 6 and the 9. We have a 6 in the third column, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Then 2 numbers left in this big square. I've marked this with 1, 5, 6. The 6 is already used, so the 1 and the 5, 1 and the 5. We have a 5 in the second column, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers, 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 1 and 9, 1 and the 9. We have a 1 in the second column, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 9 and a 7. Now we have a 9 there, so this box can be 9 and more. That box should be a 9, and this box should be a 7. Final 2 numbers in this big square, the 7 and the 5. We have a 7 in the first row, so no 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 5 goes there. Finish in 18 minutes. Well, 3 stars? No. Let me give this a 2 stars. And I like this one, yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the second puzzle, a 4 stars Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.